If you want to please your loyal subscribers and readers so that they automatically receive newly created paid publications absolutely for free, you can send a complimentary subscription. Once they open your email and click on the publication, their subscription will be automatically activated, which means that they will receive all the publications that you go live with automatically to their email inboxes. To send a complimentary subscription, make sure that you're in the email marketing section of your Joomla account and then click Create New Campaign button. Choose the last complimentary subscription option. As previously, you will need to fill in all the required fields in the campaign to send it out. First is the campaign name. Then you will need to specify the email settings, from name, reply to email address, email subject, then choose the collection which is going to be distributed for free and specify the subscription package if you have any. Select the recipients that are going to receive the campaign. You can also exclude some contacts from the selected list. And finally, choose the sending options. Click Review and Send button. Check the campaign details, preview the template, and click Create Start the Campaign button. Carefully check the campaign details, preview the template, and then click Start the Campaign button. Confirm the action, clicking Start the Campaign button once again. Congratulations! Now you know how to send campaign in Joomla. Stay tuned to learn how to check the campaign performance.